Testing of Hyundai HGN16 air circuit breaker. The basic settings were set according to the request of the customer. For testing, we add the 220-volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then, we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And finally, we perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 40 seconds. It is now clear that the breaker is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.